Dear parents and students, thank you so much for your feedback. And based on your feedback, I'm going to make some change in this term. And I hope that these changes will help you with your learning. Okay, now let's take a look at these feedback. We have 74 students gave me feedback. Thank you so much. And 26 parents gave me some feedback. Thank you so much for your feedback. And for the homework load for term 1, most students and parents think one homework for each week is good enough. Okay, so I'm going to continue to have one homework for each week. That's for every student. But for some students, they also mentioned they want extra homework. Then in this term, in term 2, I'm going to provide some extra learning material. So if you think one homework is not enough for you, I have something extra for you to learn. How are the assignments? Most parents and students think the assignments are helpful. So I'm going to continue to provide meaningful assignments for students, okay? Do you want your teacher to speak more English in the class or less? This one is interesting. Most students think speak some English is good. Some want me to more English, but on the parents' side, half of the parents wanted me to speak more Mandarin, which I totally understand. And some want me to speak some English. So based on this feedback, let me make this part clear. For the lesson content part, I will speak Mandarin. Okay, because that's what we learn. So if you don't understand everything, that's totally okay. I will repeat some parts, and for some words, I will use similar sentences so that you will understand it. You will get it. Okay, so don't worry. If you still don't know, you can also use Quizlet for help. Okay. But please be expected that I will speak Mandarin, teaching Mandarin, right? Teaching the content. So in this part, but for the instruction part, I will speak English so that those students who don't have a good listening foundation can still understand what's going on in the class. So parents, please understand that some students, they do need some English to help them to understand. Okay? Which parts are helpful for your child? So I can see that both from parents and students parts mentioned a lot about quizzes are very helpful and Quizlet are very helpful. But each part are mentioned. So I'm going to continue to use PowerPoint, Nearpod, Quizlet, and quizzes. Okay? Is your teacher friendly and helpful? Nearly all the parents and nearly all the students said that helpful and friendly, which is very encouraging for me. I will continue to provide my help as much as I could. Is your teacher says or feedback helpful for your child? And almost all the parents said it's helpful. Most students said it's helpful. So I'm going to continue to provide you feedback as soon as I can. But I hope that you can make some change based on my feedback so that your understanding will be better. For the score part, your final score is based on your final work. It means that if you made some modification, if you made some change to your work, and eventually the score will be higher. It's not based on your first work, first assignment. Your final grade will be higher. Our final goal is you learn something. My goal is not to give you a low score, but I hope you learn something and give you a high score. Okay? That's our goal. Most parents and students think the term 1 is okay or good, which is encouraging to hear that. Most students think they learn something. Thank you so much for your feedback, which is encouraging to see that. Thank you for all your positive comments. These are some suggestions. From the students' parts, most students want more games, quizzes, less homework, more English, or something I speak too fast. I will try to speak slower when I speak Mandarin, okay? I will try to do that. If I'm speaking too fast, please remind me. More games. Definitely in this term, I hope that I will have more games. Give less hard homework. I will try to give you homework as early as I can, and then to give you more time to practice. But I hope the assignment is helpful for you. Okay, if you think it is too hard for you, please let me know, and I can modify your work so that it is durable for you. And now these are the feedback I get from parents. Everything's fine. Thank you. Keep up the good work and make more fun learning. I will try to do that. Okay, keep on giving weekly Quizlet for the kids. I will. Okay. Thank you for your feedback. And this is the feedback I got from parents and students, and these are some changes I'm going to do in this term. Okay, thank you so much. If you still have feedback, please write me email and let me know. And by the end of term 2, I will continue to give you a feedback, provide you a feedback form, and I'm looking forward to your feedback so that our learning and teaching experience will be better. Okay? Have a great week.